As of September 2024, the Honor Magic V3 has been officially announced and is available with the following specifications. Honor Magic V3 specifications: display, main screen, 7.9-inch QXGA OLED, 2200 by 2480 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate, cover screen, 6.45-inch FHD OLED, 1080 by 2560 pixels, 120 Hz refresh rate, processor, chipset, Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, memory and storage, RAM, 12GB, internal storage, 512GB/1TB UFS 4.0, camera. System, rear cameras, 50MP primary sensor, wide, 50MP ultrawide sensor, 50MP telephoto sensor, 5x optical zoom, front cameras, cover camera, 32MP, under-display camera, 16MP. Battery, capacity, 5000 mAh, charging, 66W wired fast charging, 50W wireless charging, software, operating system, Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14, build and design, material, aluminum frame, glass back, and a durable hinge mechanism, dimensions, 160.4 by 141.5 by 12.3 mm, folded, 160.4 by 141.5 by 6.7 mm, unfolded, weight, 275 grams, connectivity, 5G, dual SIM 5G support, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.3, NFC. Yes, additional features, fingerprint sensor, under-display, speakers, stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, water and dust resistance, IP68 rating. These specifications make the Honor Magic V3 a powerful and feature-rich device. Focusing on high performance, premium build quality, and advanced camera capabilities. For the latest updates or detailed reviews, it's a good idea to refer to official Honor announcements or trusted tech review sources.